A for you, Mommy. Hey, Dad. Santa gave it to me, but it was this word, but you can make it and other things.
So you can change its shape. Wow.
And guns.
Wow.
You can turn it into anything you want.
You could. You get to use your imagination with this one.
And an aeroplane.
An airplane. You know what? It also looks like a person. Look. You see this? The head. Do you guys see it? The head, the arms, and the legs. It looks like a man. Wow. And is it a book or a toy?
A toy.